Hello viewers, welcome back to Heat and Habit. Today we are making taro root or chamadumpa curry. Lit on the stove and put a vessel full of water and add those taro roots in it and add some salt. Let it cook for some time. This is also called Chamagadda. Yeah, now peel off the skins. It's basically like tamarind stew, like tamarind gravy. Peel off the skins and the root look like more sticky. Now cut into equal pieces. And now slice the onions. Then slice the tomatoes. Now slice the green chilies. And lit on the stove, put a vessel in it and add oil, then mustard seeds, then slice the onions, salt it well, then add turmeric powder and salt, and then add green chilies. Now tomatoes, stir well, then add red chili powder and required salt, mix well, then add those peeled off boiled taro roots in it and mix well. Now add tamarind juice and mix well. At least 10 minutes you need to soak the tamarind, and now add required amount of water in it. Stir well, and after one boil, almost those are cooked well. Now check the consistency of the soup. This cooks well and the taro root chamadumpa curry is ready. DIY yourselves. Thank you for watching to Eat and Habit.